Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone and opening settings so you can change charging behavior immediately. First, make sure battery level is above 10% and use the original or certified USB-C cable. This ensures accurate charging detection. Remove any obstructive case. Some cases block sensor contact and heat dissipation. Now tap Settings, then Battery and Device Care to access charging controls. This gets you to the right menu quickly, so you can change fast charging options without delay and avoid mistaken toggles. Once inside Battery and Device Care, you locate charging settings because this is where Samsung separates fast charge modes. Tap Battery, then More Battery Settings or Charging Settings depending on your model. Variations exist, so check both. You then toggle fast charging or super fast charging on or off. Turn off to reduce heat or extend battery cycles. Turn on to prioritize speed. Make sure adaptive or optimized charging is set according to your goal. Speed now versus longer battery health over months. To finish, verify the toggle state and test charging with a certified fast charger for 10 to 15 minutes so you can confirm behavior. If fast charging doesn't engage, check the cable and charger wattage. Older cables or low-watt adapters won't trigger fast mode, and clear lint from the USB-C port that can block contact. Restart the phone, and if needed, boot into safe mode to rule out an app interfering with charging. This final pass ensures your change is effective and helps you fix common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.